Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. Those are all the places you can find me. This is the Ipsy September glam bag. Hashtag discover yourself, because September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Mine's going to lead me to doing a lot of travel. So I'm going to need lots of beauty products and stuff. So let's discover not just myself, but these products. So hey, September, Ipsy Glam Bag. Got all these cute little constellations. If you see Leo, let me know. All I see is a bunch of like giraffes or something. Anyway, whoop. Find your light, your true North Star, as people say. Find your true north. Yeah. Discover yourself. Hashtag. Yay. I love how they put good news. Mercury's not in retrograde this month. Yay. Anyway, cute little crystal here. Don't know what kind. Fun products. I got the Briogeo. Don't despair, repair. Leave-in mask. I love to put leave-in mask in my hair and then let my hair air dry, get all the benefits from it. And so it's a leave-in conditioner that makes your hair happy and healthy. Then we've got the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. Now, I already have some eyebrow stuff on here, so you might be able to tell if it actually volumizes. So, we'll just do that. Like I said in other videos, I like to just go with the natural line of my eyebrows here. And there we go. Boom. They're a little more volumized. Then we have Beaute Fatale Cosmetics. It's a liquid lipstick. Matte liquid lipstick. So, I actually have to twist it. It's in Tough Love. It's cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. Do we have color yet? No? So I've been cranking it forever. I think it's broken. Okay. Twist, oh, about 30 times. It says to twist it. Well, I've twisted it like about 60 times. Anything? Anything? No? No? Nothing? No? Still not? Right? No? Nothing. I think it's broken. Oh wait, there we go. I should probably do this with a mirror. Okay, so it is matte. It's kind of a dusty rose. There we go. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, that's nice. Let's see what else they say about it. Okay, so I feel like I twisted it 6,000 times. Oh, it's a matte mauve shade. Okay, then we have Ofra collab with Madison Miller. It's a sweet blush. I don't have a blush brush. Oh boy. Okay, so I don't have a brush to do this with. Actually, you know what? We're gonna have a brush. Hang on. Whoop, brush. Oh boy, check that out. Get those apples. Get the apples of those cheeks. So it is a nice, little highly pigmented shade. It's a dusty pink nude. Mwah. Okay, all good with that. Yeah, sorry for the little break there. Okay, then finally we have the Beauty Crop. It's eyeshadow. Beauty Crop eyeshadow in 7. All that. So I don't. Come on. Open. So it's like a purplish shade. Metallic plum. So if you've seen my other video, maybe you haven't seen it yet. I got this in another box. I'm going to try it. I've already got some eyeshadow on, but we'll just put it up on top here. So I feel like you have to use a lot of this to get, oh no, it works. But I feel like you have to really get in there to get the color. Like, it's definitely going to be a lighter, unless you go real heavy in there with the brush. So, it is, yeah. It says it's richly pigmented, but I feel like I have to dig a lot in here for it. Anyway, that is September Ipsy. And this is where you can follow me. And until next time, stay beautiful.